Children, today we are going to start our physical education, chapter number 2, that is physical education. In the first video, we saw what is the introduction of physical education, and we also saw the definition of the physical education given by various authors. In today's class, we are going to discuss on the objectives of physical education. Objectives means there is something desirable, we want to achieve it, or the steps in advancement, okay, or which seems possible to being attained. So all those we have to list down. So in order to do some work or a job, what we will do, we will list some of the objectives, right? So without that objective, if you keep on doing the job, then it will be of no use. So objectives are important. So now based on the time to time or based on the experience, the author have given so many objectives from time to time. So now let us see the first objectives. So first objectives here was given in 1880 by Dudley A. Sargent. So what he says is the first objectives towards the physical education should be hygiene. Yes, you have to maintain hygiene. Then you should be educative, okay, then recreative and remedial. So objectives of the physical education. So what he said, hygiene, first thing is we have to maintain an hygiene, then educative means they have to given a quite amount of education. Then recreative, there should be a recreations in that. Recreative, they should be the people must have a greater interest, they want to put their creativeness into that recreative. So and these are all the objectives. So first objectives was done in 1880. Later on, as the time went on, the Committee of American Physical Association, so they gave another objectives. What are those objectives? The first objective was fitness. Yes, see here, fitness. So physical education means the first thing is the fitness. Physically you need to be very fit, otherwise you can't play any games, right? So first they say fitness is the first objective. Next is the mental health. Yes, the people who are into that particular field should have a proper mental health, right? They should not be under a stress or a strain or some other emotional kind of atmosphere. They should not be attached to that, okay? Mentally they should be very sound. Next, social moral, right? How they need to have some moral, okay? Then social environment must be good. Emotional expressions, so how they going to express. So if they lose the game, if they try to go into the depression, then it is of no use. So emotional, how to maintain that emotional expression, they should know. Then appreciations, so whatever they play, if they win, we will appreciate. If they lose, what we have to do? We have to just encourage them. So what kind of appreciation we have to make? So they devise like this. So what are those? Fitness, mental health, social moral, then emotional expressions and the appreciations. So in 1880 they gave one objective. In 1934 they have listed another objective. So now as the time goes, then they have devised one more objectives, that is in 1947, Agnes Dudley. What he said? So I have revised that objectives. So what he made? The first objective is health, physical or organic development. So first they should be healthy enough regarding with the physical and organic development. Organic means the different parts of the body, it is related. So all the organic development should be there, right? So if they are suffering from the malnutrition, then what happens? They are not able to fit to play that particular game. So that is the first objective. Next is the mental emotional development. So how they are mentally sound, how they are able to manage the things, how they are able to cope up. So in the sports, what you should do is you have to take the decision very quickly, right? How they are going to manage, that depends upon the mental emotional development. Then neuromuscular development, the nervous development. Yes, it is related to nervous. While playing the sports, we need to stretch our body. So they should be well muscular development should be there. Neuromuscular means related to the nervous system should be very good, because quickly they have to grasp and they have to take the decision. Then social development, how they are going to mingle with others, how they are going to play with other group of people, how they are going to behave when they meet new people, how they are going to adjust with them. Yes, so that is the social. Then intellectual, how intellectual they are. If you want to play a game, you should keep all the rules in your mind, how you are going to play, how you are implement your skills that you have learnt. So that development should be there. So Ames gave 5 objectives in 1947. Again in 1948, so J.B. Nash listed 4 developments. So what is that? First is the organic development. So if organs are developed well, that one. Second is again the neuromuscular. So as we saw in. Then interpretative development. Interpretative means whatever we learn. So coach will train us, right? You have to do like this. You have to perform like this. Training will be given. So using that same training, how you are going to interpret in your on this stage, right? So on that field, how we are going to interpret that, how we are going to take the decision, that is the third one. Then emotional development, we saw how to manage the things. Again in 1950, so again in 1950, the Joint Committee of American Association, again they gave one more revised objectives. So what are those? Develop and maintain maximum physical efficiency. So first is you have to develop and maintain maximum physical efficiency. Till the maximum level, how much ever it is possible, you have to maintain your physical fitness. Next, to develop useful skills. Yes, maintaining the physical strength is important. Along with that, you have to maintain the skills. They have developed the skills, right? If you don't, even if you teach 100 times and if it doesn't have the skill, then it's of no use. So they brought second objective as a skill. Then to conduct oneself in social useful ways. After you learn a game, then you have to yourself be motivated and you have to conduct in useful ways. You have to use that skills in one useful way. Next, enjoy. They have to enjoy. Then only we will not feel a stress. Right? If you don't enjoy that, what happens? We feel some sort of stress that is developed in our mind. So these are the objectives of the physical educations. So now there are again the objectives are again devised. They have listed. So keeping this all objectives, they have clubbed together and they have made various objects under the headings. So we will see that in the next video. Okay.